Today in this video, I am going to tell you 5 best free video editing softwares for Windows. No watermark, no time limit and completely free. These video editing softwares are useful for both beginners and professionals. So number 1 in my list is Windows Movie Maker. This is a basic video editing software for beginners. This software was created by Microsoft. With this software you can easily edit your videos even if you are unknown about video editing. This video editing software has basic features such as adding text on a video or photo, trimming the video, transitions, adding music, recording audio, etc. So if you don't know anything about video editing, then this is the best one for you. Number 2 in my list is OpenShot. This is one of the most popular free video editing software. It has a simple and clean interface. This video editing software has all the basic features as well as some professional features such as transitions, trimming, chroma key, slow motion and fast motion, unlimited layer support, animations and keyframes, etc. So if you are looking for an easy video editing software with all basic features and also some professional features, then this is the best one for you. Number 3 in my list is Shotcut. This video editing software is very professional. This software has professional features like 4K video editing, color grading, audio filters, webcam capture, audio recording, etc. So if you are looking for a professional video editing software, then this is the best one for you. But the interface of the software can be quite difficult for some beginners. Not so difficult, but still beginners may try the software once. The number 4 in my list is VSDC. This is also one of the most popular free professional video editing software. It has all the advanced features that a paid video editing software has, such as editing 360 degrees videos, editing AR or VR videos, 4K video editing, motion tracking, live color correction, etc. Some tutorials are there on YouTube how to use this software. If you are looking for professional video editing software with many advanced features, then this is the best one for you. Number 5 in my list is DaVinci Resolve. This video editing software is very popular and it is for professionals only. One and only free, powerful, professional advanced video editing software. This video editing software was also known as an alternative to Adobe Premiere Pro, because it has all those features that Adobe Premiere Pro has. This software has features such as VFX editing, sound mixing, key animation, audio mixing and many more. So if you are looking for a professional video editing software that has many advanced features and professional features, then this is the best one for you. So guys, in my opinion, these are the best free video editing software for beginners and professionals. You can check the description below for downloading these softwares, or you can directly enter the name of the software on Google. So finally, let me know in the comment section below which video editing software you liked, and if you have any doubts, do comment. If you find this video useful, then like, share and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos. Jai Hind.